Hi guys, and welcome to the welcome to the daily predictions. I'm making the prediction video for 19th, and by the time you will wake up in the morning tomorrow, you will have the prediction of 19th of November already. I don't know why I'm calling 19th October. I'm going to go and check back the video of 19th October if there is anything there in the message. But I've been doing this in the Hindi video also. I've been saying 19th October instead of 19th November. Okay, so the messages from the cards. I was guided to take out the cards right now, so I am doing it, and the energy is super strong. And another thing is the place that I'm taking out the cards at this time, because we use in the other room, so watching TV, so the place is very very less, and that means that in compact time there is going to be a lot of things that are going to be addressed or happening. So the first card is Six of Cups. Six of Cups is a card where you get down to the memory lane. Six of Cups is the card where you connect with your past. The Six of Cups is the card where some past life, some past relationships, some past energies come back to your life or move back to your life. There is a energy of light in the darkness, and I do feel that Six of Cups here is not only about your past, as in past of this life, but I do feel that many memories from your past lives are also going to reoccur into your life or come back into your life. Some people from your past, this life also might come back. The cards that I'm using is Tarot Dale Newt, so which is Tarot of the Night, and I'm using that kind of a theme today because there is a full moon, so I'm using the cards of night and moon, and one unicorn for sure. So there is an energy where something from your past is going to come out, something from somebody from your past might come back, some memory from your past might come back, some passion from your past might come back, but something from your past is going to come back to your life. The next card is Ace of Wands, and if you see, this is a very different Ace of Wands, and you see a lock here, and the lock is now visible, and just the key is needed to open that lock, and that lock is on the heart. So something that you've been very very passionate about, something that you've been very very fond of, something that has been your fire energy, that energy is going to be coming out loud in the open, and now it is going to be on you to open that lock. Now you can see a rose here, you can see number 7 here, you can see a 7 here, and there is also a spider here, and spiders are patient. The spider create their web very very patiently. I do see the keys here as well. I couldn't see that, I couldn't locate that in the Hindi video, but here I can locate the keys. Here there are the keys, so the keys are also here, and that means that you can very well open your heart, and you have the key to open your heart, but the patience are required, and you can actually take up any passion, and you can actually take that forward. So today is the energy where actually 19th is the energy where you can actually take up any passion, anything that you've been wanting to do from a long time now, and you open up to that passion, you open up to that energy, and you pick that up and take that forward. The next card is the Temperance card. Temperance is the energy of balance. Temperance is the energy of moderation, going forward in a very very moderate pace. So if you see there is a sun energy that is reflecting here on the mirror that is right behind her. It seems like a broken one, and if you see here, there is a water flowing from this cup into directly into the lotus, and lotus flower is open. There are butterflies here. Transformation. Lotus is a sign of transformation. It is a sign of rebirth. It is the sign of awakening. It is the sign of new energies coming into enlightenment, and you can see a rose here too. So definitely there is an energy of enlightenment, there is an energy of big changes happening, there is an energy of new flowers blossoming, there is an energy of transformation, but at the same time there is an energy where you have to keep your balance, because moon energy is a very strong energy, and moon energy brings in some changes or some things where you can get off balance. If you not take care of your emotions, you can get off balance. Then the next card is Three of Wands, and if you see this Three of Wands, it's a very different Three of Wands. You can see some kind of devil energy here. You can see like a skull here in one hand. You can see a snake rod or snake wand here, and the snake has the mouth completely open. There is lightning that is kind of coming here, and this person is standing in the water. There is a spider here too. This is the energy of intuition. This is the energy of war. This is the energy of winning the war. This is the energy of positively moving out on your quest and taking charge of the situation, and then also ending up getting some kind of victory, or ending up seeing that victory energy coming into your hands. So definitely the devil energy is kind of vanishing, and there is a sunlight that is coming from here as well. So definitely you're going to see some kind of changes happening. You're going to see some results of your hard work. You're going to see some energies opening up for you. But yes, the balance will be something that will be really needed, like really needed. Next card is Nine of Wands, and if you see this Nine of Wands, there is again there is a transformation that is happening here. There's a regeneration that is happening here. There is a big fire that is about to start or already has ignited here. And if you see this person, she's holding on to the wand, and it seems like a magic wand which has a moon on it, and she also seems to be like hurt, but very motivated and looking at in the right direction. So Nine of Wands is the card where you have to let go of the fear, and take that one step that you need to take. And the next card that I have is Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is a card of communication. Eight of Wands is a card of moving forward, and you can see here also in her neck you can see something like a key. So the key definitely is there, but you might find the key early or you might find the key late. Now there is a card of communication. This is the card where so many communications are actually flying around. So there is a card of communication, something that you've been waiting for, something that you need to kind of restart, something that you need to begin in your life, something that you need to move forward to. You're going to see that communication coming your way. Communications are going to be very important. Your emotions are going to be very important, and emotional balance is going to be very important, because if you see, there are all females, there are males in this, male figures also in this card, but all female figures have come up. That means that is the moon energy. Moon energy is the energy of awakening. Moon energy is the energy of feminine. Moon energy is the energy of night. Moon energy is the energy of at times high on emotion. So keep your emotional balance. That is very important. So keep your emotions intact. That is going to be very important. And I do see some strong revelations happening, some strong changes happening, some hearts, some locks being opened, some past energies coming back to future, or some final steps being taken, and a lot of communications coming. Next card that I got, it is from Moonology, and this card says show the world the real you, and this is full moon in Aquarius. So this is already, there is a full moon, right? We are talking about the full moon, and we got the card of the full moon as well, and this card says show the world the real you. So you need to show the world who you really are. You need to show the world, and the card again opened at the same page. It says this card brings in a message from the cosmos that you need to detach a little from whatever situation you are asking about. Someone might be keeping you at arm's length now, but it is no bad thing. It is important for you to allow life to unfold and progress. Even if change seems like frightening prospect, if you have been holding yourself from showing the world the real you, this card reminds you that your unique characteristics are what make you special. In a relationship, you are being too aloof or detached. Go ahead and be yourself in whatever is coming up for you, and definitely there is a lot of energy coming up for you, but you have to be aware of your emotions, and you have to balance yourself, and you have to ensure if there is anything in anyone in need, you reach that person out, and there could be some unexpected situation unfolding in your life. So that's the energy, and the energy again is very positive and very strong. But yes, you need to, it is the time where you shine your light. It is the time when you come out in the front of the world and you show that who you really are, what your energies are. This is the card from Moonology, and then I took out the cards from Starseed Tarot, because star at night, so it kind of reflects the night. So this card says water your garden, and this is nourishment, body care, tenderness, and rest. So the first thing that you can see a bright moon here. So you need to give your body some rest. You need to take care of your body. You need to take care of your physical, emotional, and spiritual body, all kind of it, because they will need rest for the things that are coming ahead. Because the next card is saying deep cellular healing, and definitely this card says that that rest has to give you a lot of physical and emotional healing, and that's what the moon energy is also bringing in, a lot of physical and emotional healing for you, and you have to give yourself time to absorb that healing. The next card is Cracked Open, and it says rock bottom, surrender to the alchemy of life, and there is a opening up of happening of, and the real soul is actually coming out. So that opening up is happening for you, that enlightenment is happening for you. There again you can see a full moon right behind this person, and there is a crack up that is happening. There is a energy that is opening up, and this is like end of it. Now there is only going to be openings, and there is only going to be positive energies. The next card is the Courageous Pony, and it says Peony, and it says multifaceted unique nature, let yourself be seen. Again the same energy, that let your light be seen. Come in front of the world, bring in your energy, bring on what you have, and don't be fearful of anything now. The next card is the whale and the orca elders, and this card says share your song, frequency of sound diving deep. So definitely your language, your song, your voice, your actions, your emotions are going to be very, very important, and I see a lot of telepathic energy. Now the last two cards, and I'm going to take out the cards from Sun and Moon Tarot also, but the last two cards that I got for this set, the Hindi video that I did, were actually like they were magic. They are magic. So this is from Unicorn, the messages. The first card is magic, and it says make a wish, believe in the miracle, and the miracle, the magic is around you. And the second card is already miracle. It says you have faith that your miracle is on its way, your prayer have been answered, surrender and bow. And this card is very, 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 very beautiful. And I just got this deck today, and the moment I got this deck, the first card that came is miracles. And again, there is and then again, when I had to ask some question on the live, the card of miracle came, and again here you can see the magic and the miracle. So definitely there are some magical moments, definitely there are some miracles happening. Just believe in yourself, okay? Just believe in yourself and just believe in the miracles. They are around you, they are going to happen. And yes, make your energy stronger and let them be seen. That's definitely the theme. Now I'm going to take out the additional message. There is one card that I see is already turned around. I'm not finding it. Okay, so definitely there is an energy which is saying that moon energy requires a lot of balance. Okay, so definitely ensure that you can manifest a lot, but you have to balance your energies. You will have to ensure that your energies are balanced, and only when you are balanced will you be able to take advantage of moon energy, because moon energy is of manifestation as well. So just keep yourself in balance, and your past lives are going to be important. So something from your past or past life or past lives might come back in your life. Open up your heart, because anybody who's watching this video, I'm seeing that person going into a very strong journey of awakening, like very, very strong journey of awakening. I don't know why some cards are actually already turned around, but I'm going to take out. Okay, here, so let me take out the additional message. Guides, angels, what is the additional message? Okay, I already have 3 cards. Let's see if anything else comes up for 19th of November 2021. 19th November 2021. Okay, so we have quite a few cards. So the first card is King of Wands. Okay, so the first card is King of Wands, that energy. The second card that I have is Ace of Cups. Beautiful. The third card that I have here is 5 of Pentacle, and the last card that I have here is Princess of Pentacle. These were the cards which were like upside, like the energies were changed, like the cards were already turned around. At least 5 of Pentacle and Princess of Pentacle, I saw both the cards. So this card, basically these cards say, 5 of Pentacle is a card of worry. King of Wands is a card when you actually take that leap, take that jump above the fire and you move across the fire. So there is a knight here also. As in that there are stars and there is night, and King of Wands is with his wand on fire. So definitely some kind of messages, some kind of a leap, some kind of a strong change that is coming in your life, and that you're going to kind of face that fire and move forward to that, because the horse is ready to jump. Your emotions are going to play a big role, so you will have to balance your emotions, and you will have to know that there's a lot that is going to come in and go out. So balance yourself. There is a chance of worry, and when I say worry, there is a chance of worry because the moon energy brings that, but also I do feel that it is not for everyone. There is worry for some people who are not on the right path. And last card is Princess of Pentacle. Okay, I will take out one more card, but last card is Princess of Pentacle, which is actually a card of a lot of growth coming your way, lot of flowers coming your way, and she's actually into this energy of dancing, of enjoying, and of collecting, and she has her purse in her hands, and there's wind that is blowing. So this is a beautiful energy, and I do feel that some positive messages are coming your way, and I do feel that your emotions are going to be very important. Don't let yourself be worried for anything. Keep your energies balanced. That's going to be very important. And the last card that I have is Ace of Wands, and Ace of Wands is a card where your passion, your fire is ignited. So definitely there is an energy which is foolproof. There is an energy which is very beautiful, and there is an energy where a lot of things and a lot of changes are going to happen. I do feel that King of Wands might come up with some communication or some energy where some people might be worried about, or some people might get worried about what the energy is coming up or what the communication is coming up. Some communication can come from him also, but some communication from authorities is also going to come, where some people are going to be caught or put into the jail. But yes, there is a lot of energy that is coming. We see two aces. This is rare that happens, and two aces means a lot of fresh energy, a lot of new energy, and a lot of energy of beginning. Two aces is 1 1 11. Princess is again 11, and kings 5 5 10. So 10 11 continues to be there. So if you like the video, please share the video with everyone else and press the like button, and that makes video searchable. And I will see you with the next video really soon, and I will see you with the live. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you so much.